Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Wi-Fi internet fix can't connect to this network error on Windows 10. First method is, click Start Settings. Click Change Adapter Options. Right-click Wi-Fi, click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check Obtain an IP address automatically. Check also Obtain DNS server address automatically. Right-click Wi-Fi Disable and then Enable. Click Forget and type Wi-Fi password. Second method is, click Start Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Network Reset. Click Reset now. Third method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type netsh, winsock, space reset. Type netsh, space int, space IP, space reset. Type ipconfig space / flush DNS. Restart your system. Fourth method is, type devmgmt.msc in Windows search bar. Click devmgmt.msc. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select Recently Updated Driver. Restart system and check Wi-Fi connected internet. If same error still exists, uninstall Wi-Fi device. Right-click Wi-Fi device, click Uninstall device. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.